Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix lag in Blox Fruits on your mobile device, especially if you have a low-end device. So make sure to stick around till the end. Alright, let's dive right in. The first step is to open Blox Fruits and go to the settings menu. From there, see or set the graphics quality to the lowest option. This will help reduce the strain on your device to improve performance. Next, make sure to close all unused apps running in the background. This will free up your memory and give your game more resources to run smoothly. Another trick is to clear up your app cache. It can help improve performance and fix any lag that might be caused by accumulated data. Also, try switching a stable Wi Fi connection instead of using mobile data. A strong Wi Fi connection can prevent any lag caused by a weak network. And finally, free up some storage on your device. Delete any unused app and files to ensure your device has enough space to run Roblox or run blocks fruit smoothly. And that's it. Follow the simple steps, and you should see the noticeable improvement in how Blox Fruits runs on your low end mobile device. That's all for today's video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.